Hello guys, today is a book vlog. I want to introduce this book to you guys. It's a must read. I highly recommend it to read this book and buy it. It is written by Elizabeth Gilbert and over 10 million copies sold worldwide, and it is a very good book. You can read it easily. It's not that much difficult. It is good for improving your English, and please watch it by all means, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have very interesting videos that I want to share with you guys. Even there is a movie about this book, Eat, Pray, Love. Julia Roberts play in it very gratefully. I love this movie. I watched it 100 times actually many times, and I am reading this book myself till this part. There is some parts remain, but I read most of the book, so it's very good for your English. You can read it and find the words that you don't know in a dictionary. Longman and Oxford dictionaries are the best. I recommend them to you guys. You can find them in paper version, or you can download it, or you can find online links and use the dictionary for understanding the book. But don't be fussy. Just find some of the words. You don't need to know all the words, okay? Because if you want to know all the words, you get tired and you can't read the book and enjoy it. So just find some of the words that are very difficult for you and you can't understand the concept of the book without knowing them. So it's about a girl who gets out of her comfort zone. Even I recorded a podcast and I mentioned this book in my podcast, and I read some parts in my podcast as well, and I want to read that part today for you guys again, even in my video. So you can let's first talk about the story. It is a very interesting story, exciting and surprising. A girl wants to travel to 3 countries: Italy. She learns Italian, the language. She eats pasta, gelato, spaghetti, then pray. India, she do meditation like Vipassana and find her guru and try to be in silence and a mental evolution, okay? And last but not least, she finds love in Indonesia. She finds true love. She fall in love with a Brazilian man and flip, and so this book is very interesting. It's better you first read the book and then watch the movie, but for me was the other way around. I watched the movie first and then I found the book about it. Elizabeth Gilbert has many other books as well. For example, Committed, Big Magic, and some of the books, but I don't have her other books. Just only I have this book, and I want to give it to one of my friends after I finished it, because I have this routine that I give my books and films and materials to my friends. I pass it over them because I want to share it with other people. So Eat, Pray, Love, Italy, India, Bali. She starts a journey, but the journey is about herself, finding herself and her weaknesses, her strengths, her true self, you know. I want to read the part of the book for you guys. Chapter 101. On the ride home, Philip asked, "Has she bought a house yet?" "Not yet, but she says she's looking." "It's been over a month already since you gave her the money, hasn't it?" "Yeah, but the place she wanted, it wasn't for sale." "Be careful, darling," Philip said. "Don't let this drag out too long. Don't let this situation get all balnies on you." "What does that mean?" "I'm not trying to interfere in your business, but I've lived in this country for 5 years, and I know how things are. Stories can get complicated around here. Sometimes it's hard to get the truth of what's actually happening." "What are you trying to say, Philip?" I asked, and when he didn't answer immediately, I quoted to him one of his own signature lines. "If you tell me slowly, I can understand quickly." "What I'm trying to say, Liz, is that your friends have raised an awful lot of money for this woman, and right now it's all sitting in Wayan's bank account. Make sure she actually buys a house with it." Okay, so this chapter was very short, so please read this book and tell me in the comments, have you read it or not? And if you read it, what's your opinion? Can you suggest any books like this book to me or other friends? So please tell me. Bye bye for now. See you later in my next video.